I was honestly thinking that I'll make a vlog where I'm sneaking Pratham into my house. This is half portion of shrimp, half.
So even when you were trying to escape also, you should have told me and escape. You just ran like that.
This? No, you're right. Vaidhi, is there a haunted house near your house or something? Is there? No, Vyachi, no. Nothing, Vyachi, nothing. If it's not, then I'll cut this part. But if it is, then I am.
What?
I forgot my concealer at the B&B.
Are you serious?
Yeah, but it was high time to let that go.
What is a concealer?
It's the thing that you put under. I put under my eyes to make it white. Pratham's taking a shower right now. I already took. I'm in Gurgaon right now. This background must seem familiar because we stay here most of the time. So I don't want to stay here from next time because we started staying here because it was like sort of a budget hotel, and now we've grown up. So we're trying to not do that from next time. So I'm actually putting tinted sunscreen because I forgot to get concealer. Forgot my concealer. So last you must have seen us partying at the B&B. वहाँ से all my friends left at like almost 8 in the morning. The B&B was in Faridabad, so we reached Gurgaon at like 1:30. Then we had that food, and now we're up. We're going to Nara Thai. No wait, we're going to Sticky Rice for my birthday dinner. Pratham, be careful when you come out. Okay, there's water. I'm gonna use the YSL lip balm that Pratham got me. You know, my friends also, like Lakshita, Anshika and all also got me a YSL lip balm, and I left theirs at the B&B. So none of my friends went and picked it up. Every now and then I fall apart, and I need you now. Maybe I should get this expensive concealer that I was thinking about getting.
You should let me get it for you.
It's okay. You already got enough. So I'll see if Nykaa now is delivering. Also guys, I'm going to reveal my mug design in this vlog because initially I wanted to launch it on my birthday, but some logistics and it didn't get launched. I have the products, but the packaging isn't fully here yet. So August may launch hoga, but I'm gonna reveal it. So just stay tuned. I'm using this blush that Pratham got me, the Rhode one.
They haven't seen. I know.
They haven't seen it. No one has seen it yet.
I thought you posted it on.
I just posted like the teasers. I haven't put the whole mug out.
Oh.
Yeah. This is in the shade pink tan. No, tan line. Oi, pigment to hai. It's very, very buttery. And ये blend bhi ho gaya. I'm gonna top it off with this Mucha Beauty blush. See, like the product is really good, but the palette sort of breaks, and I've seen it on a lot of creators' channels also. Tell me one thing. Come here, no?
Yeah, 1 second.
Should I wear these earrings? Like I'm going to wear like black pants, not like this pajama. Jeans I'll wear. So should I wear these earrings that I'm wearing right now? Or should I wear these studs?
Sure. Like this.
This?
No.
No, you're right.
Okay.
And we have to get comb also.
This cake will give us someone, no?
Yeah, carry the cake. Can you put some moisturizer on your face, please?
Yeah.
Take. Give me a hand. Face. Give me your face.
No. Okay, wait.
Why?
I have.
No, use this.
No.
It's very good. You got it from me also.
There's some. I thought you gave. There's some.
That's hand wash.
Guys,
we're outside Sticky Rice, and यहाँ पे 25 minute की waiting है, and Pratham's very hungry, so he hit me. Look, my face is so red. He's checking something on ChatGPT. Nice, no? Okay, should we dig in? Put the soy sauce. First time I'm having sushi which is so soft and warm.
a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
Like you can taste that crispiness of the prawn, like the batter.
Before that we went to the casino, that's why I was so sleepy. You bitch. I remember.
You thought you could fit a future.
Yeah.
Like the, thank you so much.
Guys, we got this tonkatsu ramen and our sticky rice is also there. This is too much food.
You're not gonna take a shower, no?
No.
How long will it take for you at your hotel?
Like maximum 10 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. It's just, I just have to talk in it.
That never gets over in 10 minutes.
You like Pepsodent more or Colgate?
Colgate.
Why?
It's a bigger brand, I think.
No.
Yeah.
Pepsodent is also big.
Pepsodent, I think, is only in India. I think Colgate's like everywhere.
Guys, I got Pratham to the Civil Lines Chole Bhature place. And I think our chur chur naan is also almost ready. Are you excited to eat?
Soya chop here, no? It's saying veg chop.
Veg ही होती है चाप. Idiot. Had a bite?
Yeah, pretty good.
Good. Nice.
Filling is fucked though. There's one bhatura and like some 3-4 parathas. Man, chod. Okay, it's half because they give like a small piece of chop.
No, it's half because of the portion also. Yeah, there's bigger also.
This is one chur chur naan we got.
The food is too good to not
Yeah.
demolish and have all the fat.
No, the quant also is massive.
क्या कर रहा है बहनचोद? दरवाजे पे मार दिया.
मार दिया?
It's okay, it's okay.
Where is he?
Went behind. Opened and slammed it. Went.
He went.
I like when the chola is thick. Like I remember in Pune you would get that pani wale chole and I would never eat it. It's because like
Too watery.
Yeah, too watery. I don't like watery shit.
But that's because of cost cutting, like.
ये भी 100 रुपए का ही था, वो भी 100 रुपए का ही था. As we just picked Paridhi up.
I thought you were going to say pick something else.
यार. We're just driving around Gurgaon. Paridhi पकड़, entertain. Just don't touch the gimbal जो उसका खोपड़ी है.
Bro, I am not recording myself. How the fuck do you? How do you turn this shit around?
It's on the side, like उस पे देख, screen पे bottom right.
Bro, तू कर.
We're just.
You keep the windows down, no?
Ah,
Isn't
okay.
it? Oh, but you're too much noise.
Too much noise is you.
Does the thing have noise cancellation?
No.
No.
It gives me a mic, but I haven't put that yet.
So this audio is recorded by the action camera in the focus camera.
Yes.
Basically premium Starbucks.
Yeah.
Who even drinks Starbucks now?
Me.
Paridhi yaar, kasam se.
No, bro, I go to a lot of coffee shops. So I just pick and choose ones.
Oh, okay. I was honestly thinking that I'll make a vlog where I'm sneaking Pratham into my house.
Oh, that's
Wouldn't that be so cool?
भाई तू सोचते रहे किसी घर वाले ने देख लिया
वो देख लेंगे, बनने के बाद देखे, पहले ना देखें.
और बनने के बाद तेरे को कुछ नहीं कहेंगे.
मैं बोल दूंगी ये सब तो स्क्रिप्टेड था पापा. मम्मी को पता था. मारेंगी मेरे को पकड़ के. But
My fiancé, no chance.
what's the worst that can happen,
Pratham
Pratham?
could die.
I could die, like you don't know what happens.
No.
Okay, I've seen cases where the guy gets caught in the girl's
Bro,
house.
I
It's
told you
not
about
like
Arjun
that.
Jasmine.
Huh?
There was
bleep
one of
the
my
names
very
out.
good friends in 11th grade, and she was dating this guy who used to climb her house wall every night, go to her room, spend the night, and then leave in the morning. And she used to disable cameras the day this would happen.
And what happened to the guy?
They got like they did it for like 2 weeks, like every other day, and they got caught, and like so they were completely undressed, and the father had kept the camera on, and he saw everything, and the moment he reached the room, he went and he broke down the door and they were naked.
Okay, I'm not gonna take him and start making out in my room. I just wanna show him and then like.
Yeah, bro, but I'm telling you, they got caught, and you know what the father did? He threw a vase of face and legs. So he blocked it. It went into his leg. He has we could see his bone.
That's nasty.
Like he was beaten up, thrashed by.
Okay, that's not going to happen to Pratham. My dad's not going to beat you up, Pratham. He'll just be like,
It's
"Ye
not
kaun
about-
hai?"
I'm not scared about him beating me up, bhai. I'm scared about him just making a scene, like he'll call the cops and shit.
Are you mad? No, that's not.
Yeah,
my...
yeah.
He's gonna deal with you himself only.
I literally.
First of all,
Listen to me.
we don't need no cops in this house.
Just 1 week back. A bit not. Okay, he can beat me if he wants, but
He
I'm
won't
talking
beat
about-
you up.
He's just gonna scream.
That's not what the
at you.
concern is, yeah.
What's the concern?
Cops. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, I just saw this reel where some
Coming,
chick.
yeah.
She called her boyfriend. Like her boyfriend came to surprise her on her birthday at like 12 o'clock. Snuck into his house and shit. Dad caught them. Dad called the cops. The chick didn't say anything throughout. Okay.
You think
Listen, no,
I...
I'm just saying. She didn't say anything throughout. And the cops were taking the guy, and this chick was waiting on the street, and she stopped the cop's car, and she's like telling them, please, matlab, he's my boyfriend, and all that. And then the cop fucking called the dad. He's like, आप क्या से हो, आपको पता नहीं है आपके नाक के नीचे क्या हो रहा है.
भाई ये सब नहीं होता है मेरे घर में. You're just overthinking.
Yeah,
Like,
because
jab-
he's meant to.
When you almost got caught in the park also, no, you didn't say shit to me. You ran first.
Yes, I ran.
The scene,
Yes,
maybe
I
I know you'll
You're
run.
scared.
You'll run. I'll be like, uncle, hi.
No. Listen, that was because I was scared.
If you had caught like that.
Yeah, if we had gotten caught, then I would have saved you. But that time I was like, we.
So even when you were trying to escape, also you should have told me and escape me. You just ran like that.
But that would have given enough time for her to not be able
Yeah,
to escape.
कि प्रथम पापा है. मेरे पापा को मेरी आवाज नहीं पता क्या? बोलेंगे ये कौन है? So listen, and the thing is that you can easily come to my house. You can, मतलब ये सब मैं बता रही हूँ ना, पर लेकिन एक घर से टाप के तुझे लेके जा सकती हूँ मैं अपने घर में. At least you
What does
can
that mean? घर से
टाप के, like you can climb the wall.
The haunted house.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So what? Like it's either the haunted house.
I have a hotel room now, Bianchi.
Would you rather choose a
Hotel
ghost
room.
or no? I'm saying, would you rather be scared and not see me, or see me and we like have an interaction with the ghost?
I am gonna see you anyways.
No, if that was the
see
only
you.
Choosing
option.
the better option.
Yeah, I'm
No,
seeing
if that was the only option, if you
But
could
that's
only,
not the only
Okay,
option.
if
Okay,
that was
if
that was the only
hypothetically.
option, I would have come. Okay,
you would have come.
I would have come. Okay.
So now
That's
let's.
not the, no, we're always gonna keep
So
that.
now, if right now I go back home and I start crying, will you come or not?
What?
Why
Why
would
would
you?
you go back home and start crying?
Yeah, you can come out, bro.
Bianchi, these like even your hypothetical situations are so fucking
Far-fetched.
so whack.
It's just a question. Vaidi, is there a haunted house near your house or something? Is there? No, Bianchi, no. Nothing, Bianchi, nothing.
बस content निकालना है.
अरे मेरे को genuine. I was thinking that we'll do a. I'll get the EMF readers and we'll go to a haunted place. Vaidi,
मैं
ask.
तू जा भाई, मैं तो जा ही नहीं.
अरे
What
क्यों?
are-
मैं तेरे को
what are
जानती
EMF
ही नहीं हूँ.
readers?
EMF readers are basically like there's this instrument, and if there's any sort of
measures
frequency,
ghosts.
any sort of frequency, what you can't see, like for example, if you put your phone near it and you have your hotspot on, it'll start like beeping.
Okay.
So
you go to a haunted
yeah,
place and
vibrancy, like it basically detects like vibrations. So
ghosts have frequencies.
हाँ भाई तुझे तो कुछ पता भी
उनका
नहीं.
hotspot on रहता है.
अरे नहीं मतलब you don't watch Sam and Colby, but basically
I
showed you,
showed
right? Yeah, I
that,
showed you.
bro.
Basically, there are these Ghostbusters, Pratham, and they have all these instruments.
Devices I've seen.
Yeah, and then they take it
They
here
have
and
like
there.
thermal cams and shit also.
Yes, I've shown you that also. So we should also do that.
No.
एक बार करके.
काम वाम नहीं है क्या
तू
तेरा
जा, तेरे
मतलब?
को
यही तो काम है
ले
मेरा.
जा.
लक्षता को तो मैं लेके जाती हूँ. अब न्यू फेसेस के साथ न्यू फेसेस को ट्रॉमेटाइज करते हैं.
हाँ तो कोई और फेस ढूंढ.
नहीं तुम दोनों ही हो. नहीं मैं
नहीं.
तुम्हें ही लेके जाऊंगी. तुम ही जाओगे मेरे साथ.
प्रथम को ले जा.
वो बैठा देख कैसा है. वो अपनी फ्लाइट वापसी जा रहा है. वेब चेक इन कर लिया उसने बैठे बैठे.
बात ये है जी कि
You don't want to go for a dinner with my mom.
come then.
I'm just asking you.
You want to? Then I don't mind. If you wanna, I'll
What
come
you
if you
talk
don't want.
to her about?
I can do that. I will talk about how Shararati or Bachi is.
No, don't talk about me.
Why? What else will you fucking talk about? Marriage or marriage?
I think
We
you
have
just
to talk about you guys. Like that's the whole thing. Like
Then I don't want to go.
Well, what else are we supposed to talk about? Like, okay, she max like for like 10-15 minutes class me about my family and all. And after that,
I don't discuss, like I'm not that open with my family about my feelings and stuff.
Okay, I'll basically find comments on you, like how you piss her off and piss me off.
No, I don't
The
piss.
enemy of my enemy is a friend.
Okay. I don't piss my mother off. I don't. Fuck it, we just won't.
Why?
Yeah, I don't like. I'm not that open with it. And I'll have to be all lovey-dovey in front of my mom, ask you if you want to eat this and all that. Like, I can't do that.
No, I honestly
My
don't
mom-
mind. Like,
my
I know I can handle it because I'll just talk about how
You talk in Hindi and it'll be
you,
fine.
How you
Yeah, I am not the topic of discussion.
Nah, but I'm gonna talk to her about how you don't listen to anyone, only do this, fuck around, बदतमीज कहीं की.
Oh, okay, thank you very much. No, leave it. She said that उसके parents.
Olive Garden also.
अरे मैं नहीं जा रही मम्मी के साथ Olive Garden. मम्मी के साथ डेट पे ना.
Oh yes, Olive Garden is not a very nice place. No?
No, it's a nice place, but I don't want to take her. And then she said that his parents also regard you so much. We should take him out. I don't know if we're there yet, Pratham. I don't know if we're there yet. Yeah, we're there with your parents. Yeah, I was thinking about it because when she called, I was too sleepy to consider it.
What did she say?
She said that
My parents keep.
No, she said that प्रथम को ले आ डिनर पे चलते हैं. I was like पापा मारेंगे पकड़ के.
You said पापा का dinner बना देंगे.
हाँ ऐसे पापा उसका डिनर बना देंगे. Then my mom was like पापा को मैं बोल दूंगी कि हम ऐसे ही मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ डिनर पे.
हाँ.
So I was like अच्छा देखती हूँ.
हाँ.
She said ले आ बेटा वो भी जो जाती है तो उसके पेरेंट्स कितना रिगार्ड करते हैं.
हाँ.
So I was like आपने इसको दामाद बनाना है क्या?
हाँ.
And then she was like I think so. And then I was like नहीं.
तो तू क्या कर रही है?
अरे यार I don't like talking to my mom like that. Like meeting my parents is very they make a big deal out of it. प्रथम तो लड़की के बॉयफ्रेंड से मिल लिए टाइप. I don't even know if they'll do it, but I can't like I have to.
Just overthinking it.
No, I'm very nonchalant with them, and no, none of my anybody has met my
I know. But
parents.
no one's ever given you before me.
अरे यार हटाना पड़ेगा ये.
जब हम राउंड लिए
हाँ. मतलब क्या क्या चेक करते हो? सारी गाड़ी खोल के चेक करते हो क्या?
नहीं नहीं
फिर
इसे गार्ड खोलना थोड़ी.
खोलना क्या था?
गाड़ी नंबर आ गया
हाँ हाँ.
39.
क्या कह रहे हो?
Oh my god!
क्या कह रहे हो आप?
The whole door was open.
This is your side. क्या कह रहे हो?
आपका जो सामान भी जैसे है खुला हुआ उस तरह है, देख लीजिए सर.
Oh my god!
आपका शुक्रिया है भैया.
शुक्रिया.
इतने तक यहाँ है सर, यहाँ और आपको तो इतना है.
Guys, we are at our favorite place again, which is Concept Shawarma. And if you know me, मैं महीने में 2 बार तो यहाँ आती हूँ. It's in Defense Colony. Pratham has gone out to get our food. We're getting 1 soya shawarma, 1 chicken shawarma, 1 chicken tandoori momos. This is like my order. अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हो, which you should, like, this is my number 1 rec. Then you have to have all of this. I don't even know how much I spoke in this vlog, but it's because I met him after 2 months. Like last हम गोवा में मिले थे. And abhi bhi like he came for just 4 nights. Like he's leaving tomorrow. I have so much to upload. Like I have that story time. I think you must have seen it by now. And I have this vlog. And there's a lot of like exciting things that are coming. I don't know अगर वो इसी vlog में हो जाएगा या नहीं, like during this time. But if it's not, then I'll cut this part. But if it is, then I am signing with an agency in Mumbai. So basically they will handle my social media. It's like a proper managing agency. And earlier, like, so it's one of the best agencies there. And पहले भी मेरे पास ना ऐसे बहुत सारी एजेंसीज आती थी that we want to manage you, but then मैंने I think पहले भी बोल रखा है कि I am not a big creator, so I thought that like जब आ रहे थे तब तो मेरे 100K भी नहीं हुए थे, तो मुझे लगा था I don't need to be signed with an agency. I'm getting work and I'll do it myself. But now that I have Vestigia launches and like, you know, I just feel like now I should have a team. So initially I was thinking of hiring ऐसे खुद के लिए, but then because I also thought that I won't get the chance to work with a good agency for a while. Thumbs up. But फिर मुझे लगा इस साल तो नहीं होगा. And then like they reached out to me and then they were like we want to work and let's do it. So I was like, are you fucking kidding me? I would love to. So I am signing with them. Like right now as we speak, I'm going through the contracts and my lawyers are working on it. My lawyer, oh भाई कितना बड़ा लग रहा है. But yeah, I'm just very grateful. I like literally just grateful for you because if you weren't watching it, I wouldn't get it. Call. Be careful. Chill. Damn, usually ये गाड़ी में आके दे देते हैं क्योंकि इनकी पार्किंग है, पर आज इन्होंने मना कर दिया. इन्होंने प्रथम की शक्ल देख के तो मना नहीं कर दिया, इसने कोई उल्टी सीधी हिंदी बोल दी हो. But anyway, what I was saying is that I'm obviously like the only reason I get to do all of this is because of you. So yeah, damn. Also, I'm 23. Do I look 23? A lot of people say I look 40. Well, that's fucked. Did I make you try the soya shawarma ever? No. This is. I take a bite. अपनी सॉस में लगा ले. Do you like it? No. I like how soft it is. Do you see how this is soft? Like
It's soft, but the flavor is not as good as the chicken one.
I'm so hungry.
Busting.
Super good.
You should really shout them out. You should really shout them out.
I give them a shout out all the time.
Give my shout out all the time. The momos are damn good.
Sorry, what? Is this the best shawarma you've had? No.
I'll tell you the thing, okay? This is not like a very authentic shawarma.
Because that has beetroot and shit.
Not beetroot, it's because shawarma is supposed to be made of khubus, not rumali roti.
This isn't rumali. Rumali roti is very thin.
But it's not khubus also. Khubus is much thicker. This is top 3 for sure. It doesn't feel completely fair calling it a shawarma.
ऐसे तो the pasta also I make isn't actually a pasta, right?
Why?
Because the carbonara pasta is supposed to be made with egg.
हम लोग carbonara नहीं बनाती पर pasta ही तो है. It's very good.
Thank you.
No, it's shawarma.
The pasta isn't good.
वो भी but
Sometimes Kritika and I just come here to eat.
what do you mean?
If we're free on the weekend, we come, drive 1 hour, eat and go back.
I bought that. I was thinking I'd be coming much more often.
If we're staying in Delhi.
Oh yeah, video Gurgaon also it's worth coming here.
But it's just a
It's a long drive.
Yeah.
But this shit you won't get in Gurgaon and Faridabad. And your stomach becomes fatter. I mean, has more capacity than it actually does.
Rosha Beauty blush is all over my product. We're going for dinner at Olive Garden. If you guys don't know, it's like this American chain. American. And इनके पास ना एक never-ending soup, pasta and all that stuff they have. Pratham taking a shower. I'm like just quickly getting ready because यहाँ से 1 घंटा दूर है. भाई गुड़गांव में रहना मतलब like you just have to deal with so much traffic because in the morning when we went to Concept, I'm getting so many pimples. Look. Well, I'm gonna get down. There's so much traffic. भाई Concept से आने मुझे 2 घंटे लग गए. Like Defense Colony to Gurgaon was 2 fucking hours. Can you believe it? So मेरे pimples अभी तब तक आते रहेंगे जब तक मेरा period नहीं आ जाता. I'm wearing just like this basic ass outfit. This top is I think from Bershka. These pants are from H&M. This belt is my mom's. It's from Coach. And I'm gonna wear like black heels. Black heels. So for now.
Does your belt cost more than the rest of the outfit?
Yeah, but it's my mom's belt. Are you hungry?
A little bit, yeah.
You wore this on my birthday?
Yeah.
Black? Oh,
I
yeah.
didn't notice.
I noticed. I thought I got confused with your grey one. You
I
wore
thought
grey
I wore
also?
yesterday. Or day before yesterday.
For sticky rice you wore that.
Yeah.
Fine.
Hmm.
Let's go. Do this.
No.
Do it.
Yeah? That's the thing
No.
is damn cringe.
I'm cringe.
Yeah.
Oh, put some sunscreen.
Yeah.
Moisturizer.
I don't like it. Like,
Put this now. Why it's getting over?
Hmm.
मेरे पास बहुत सारे moisturizer है भाई. Don't put.
that's it. It doesn't feel very moisturizing because it dries up so fast.
That's the good thing. You want something chip chippa. Where is it? Guys, we've finally made it, but we're like 5 minutes past the last order. But we called and requested if we can just like place the order ASAP. So they're like fine because it closes at 11:30 and it's 11 right now. Inside.
11:20.
There are two options. You get the never-ending bread first.
Salad.
Salad, right? The soup won't be good. I think enough. Thank you. This is half portion of shrimp. Half. We ordered food for 2 people, and this is it. I can feed my whole family and still pack some for home. कोई बात नहीं, प्रथम पूरा खत्म कर ही लेगा. Just like for reference, this is my hand next to it. It's big. I can't believe, like we couldn't finish it. हमने सब कुछ like pack करा रखा है. Yeah, we didn't even finish half. Like I don't know what happened. Bread they gave.
Kylan was here, no?
Kylan is here, somewhere here. मेरी गाड़ी है ना. Pratham is saying he can eat more, so I'm leaving him here. He can have like, imagine Pratham, they actually have never-ending pasta.
No. In
Not
the US.
here in the US, they have never-ending pasta. Have you seen that reel I showed you of this girl Carissa, where she's like, today I'm gonna have 5 bowls of never-ending pasta.
Yeah.
Imagine 5
You
bowls.
know the thing is they can't do that in India because of how conjuice we are.
We are yeah, I guess.
Like people abuse the unlimited bit. Like they'll fucking eat and they'll throw up. They'll eat till they throw up because it's unlimited.
Yeah, but like, I don't know how they also, like she also does it. Like she's a food creator, so I understand. Well, and, like she takes all her friends and she's like, today I'm gonna eat. Someone's like, I'm gonna eat 3 rounds of pasta, 7 rounds of pasta, and they eat it. Like, guys, it's the next day, and look at my clip.
Huh?
And Pratham is leaving today, but before leaving, we're making this video, which is like a would you face watch it. Shut up. It's like, which is like a would you rather do this or that. And मैंने अपने broadcast में बोला बोला कि चलो 50-60 response आएंगे, 170 responses, which is like basically so we'll both ask each other these questions. And yeah, पहले प्रथम अपना makeup कर ले, फिर मैं अपना करूँगी. And you will see that video after this vlog mostly, but it's going to be really fun. Now, as I was saying, I am launching a mug, okay? This is a crazy way to reveal it, but my boyfriend's just here washing his face. But
अगर अपना कच्चा भी लॉन्च करती ना तो लोग एक्साइट होते क्योंकि इतना हाइप क्रिएट कर रही है.
कितना धोएगा यार, इतना तो गंदा भी नहीं है तेरा मुंह.
ठीक है
Okay, shut up.
ठीक है
So
ना.
basically, मैं ना पहले मेरे अगर आपने ये वाला व्लॉग देखा है तो you would know कि मैं एक अलग मग लॉन्च करी थी जिसमें basically the shape would have been this only, but it had dual colors. मैं वो दिवाली से मैन्युफैक्चर करने की कोशिश करी, बट बोथ द कलर्स दे वर जस्ट लाइक इट वाज लाइक बेज एंड वाइट एंड दे वर मिक्सिंग विद ईच अदर एंड उसके बीच की डिस्टिंक्शन नहीं दिख रही थी. दैट हैपेंड एंड देन व्हेन आई सॉ द सैंपल आई वाज लाइक दैट्स जस्ट आई कांट सेल इट, लाइक आई डोंट लाइक इट इनफ टू सेल इट, सो आई जस्ट स्क्रैप्ड दैट होल आइडिया. दैट वाज एटलीस्ट 6 months की मेहनत. आई स्क्रैप्ड इट. आई वाज लाइक आई नीड टू सेल समथिंग दैट सीम्स लाइक मी, like it has to be my brand because it is my brand. So I wanted like a statement because of my story times and everything, like even the edits you guys make, everything has like a statement where I'm, you know, saying something which is like diabolical or whatever. So I wanted the mug to have the same vibe. Okay, so the first thing the mug has is this lipstick mark, which is my lips. Now let me show you. I basically wanted like something that when you take a sip, okay, so you like do this and then I think it's very chic. Like whenever I see a lipstick mark left on a coffee cup or matcha cup, I just think it's very, very chic. So I made a lip combo and I put it on this paper. Look, Pratha. And then I asked my team if we can put this directly on like the mug. So you see this, like this is here. This is my actual lip. Because I have these lines here. So we got this lip combo and I put this lip combo on the mug. Now I wanted to say something baddie related because I think that a lot of baddies follow me and you would resonate. So this says bad bitch juice. This is the mug that I am launching. I think more details will be here. I don't know when it's going to launch and everything. it should launch soon. Everything will be mentioned in the description and everything, my comments and here. And you should also follow Vestigia's and my page on Instagram to get more updates. But this is the mug, and let me tell you more about it. Firstly, like this has like this uneven sort of something written, which is like, how do I put it, like more like a Charlie XCX messy aesthetic, which I am messy like that. So
Oh, Ronaldo.
what Ronaldo?
You're a Ronaldo fan.
Hey, chup rahe. And so this, like you see, it's not like perfect. This is आप chalk से draw करते हो. It's like that, like you see all this, and then when you turn it around, there's my lipstick. And so when you take a sip, oh by the way, it's inside also. So like when you take a sip, it's like you're actually taking a sip with the lipstick on. I think it's really good. Then on the bottom there's Vestigia, which is my company's name. So it has our logo, our name, and the traces of tableware, which is our tagline. And then this material, it's a very thick, like it's kind of heavy, okay, because I wanted it to be microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and hand wash. Like if you have a dishwasher, you can put it there, you can put it in the microwave, and up hand wash this ko kar hi sakte ho, obviously. And it's quite thick. The material is stoneware, and this everything you see here and here, it's all put by hand. And even the cups, the molds are made with hand. So every mug will be a little unique because everything is done by hand. Yeah, that is it. I've been like teasing you with this for very long, and this is it. It's for reference. Is the hotel ka mug that you get, and this is like this. Now why I kept the shape like this is because when it's cold, theek hai, jab bahar sardiyan ho, so you can just put your fingers like this and you can hold it. Like I like holding it and like drinking it like this, like you know that Gilmore Girls maybe when we see those kind of mugs. And this thing opening is quite big. So if you would like, say you like making matcha or even if like latte art or something, you would be able to do that. And then it can also hold like a lot of whipped cream, because जो पतले glasses होते हैं उससे ना side से गिरती रहती है. But here, since it's like thick like this, like 1-2 mm का, वैसे इसमें से कुछ गिरेगा नहीं. And yeah, I don't know, tell me how you like it, because I personally think that I really love it. Everything about, first initially I was not going to have this lipstick mug because I couldn't think, I just thought this is missing something, I just didn't know what. And then like I took a sip and I was like, wait, it might look nice with my lipstick. So yeah, this is the mug and I hope you like it. All the launch details will be mentioned. And yeah, wait, I forgot to do my makeup only. I'm so excited about this launch. You have no, I think this is, इससे पहले जब मैंने launch किया था ना, that was more B2B, so I was excited about it, but not like very excited because I wasn't really sharing it with you guys. I was sharing it with other businesses. But this, it feels like it's like going from my house, my lips actually, my house to yours. And yeah, I am personally going to pack every order myself. Everything, I'm going to have a note and then there will be packaging and everything. Follow our page to see more about it. But yeah, every package is literally going to be packed with my hand. I have so much love for this product. We've ordered some Asian food because भाई आज तो हम बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं जा रहे. We've been going out a lot and then he's leaving, so we sort of got like a hotel ka extension, so we don't have to rush, because that's the thing why we also avoid when like Pratham coming to Delhi. पहली बात तो चलो obviously you have to pay extra for the hotel and shit, but even if that wasn't the case, some hotels you can't take an extension, you have to check out, and then check out करने के बाद we try कि इसकी flight late night पे ही हो, so we have more time together. पर हर hotel में it's not possible, like they don't give you an extension. I don't know if you can tell, I'm just very fucking excited to launch this product. Like I'm trying to like make really cool videos. I don't know, I think जब तक मैं video डालूंगी, those videos should be out. It's just something I've really poured my heart into. I'm gonna lip line it a little bit.
Yeah, food's already picked up. It's on the way.
It's okay.
911. We got witnesses saying that you went into the bathroom after. All you cops hate me, but this ain't right.
Look, no offense, we don't even know you. Fitty. Right, so what? Brooklyn screws up, now we can't interrogate a suspect? We got witnesses here. So what? You see this?
Her game's not popular with cops, addicts.